If you have been frustrated, dealing with knee problems such as stiffness, pain or soreness, and have been looking for some relief in these areas, this brief video review is for you. Also, if you are an athlete and have been looking for a good knee compression sleeve, and where to buy a good one at a reasonable price, this brief video review is for you as well. This video will be a brief review of the featured Ultra Knee Elite knee compression sleeve. Now, there are links below in the video description. If at any time you would like to go straight to the official webpage that you see on your screen, just click on those links provided below in the video description, so that you may see the featured Ultra Knee Elite knee compression sleeve information more in depth, or follow along with me in this video, if you choose to do so. Now, when you click on the links provided below in the video description, you will arrive on the page that you see right here on your screen. We will briefly go over and touch on just a few of the main points of the page, points that we believe would be of most interest to you. So now, when you first get to the official page here that you see on your screen, you can see that the featured knee compression sleeve is said to help you to get the knees of a 20-year-old, without injections or surgery. Also, as you can briefly see here, it is said to help you to say goodbye to sore, stiff knees, and it is said to do this instantly. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. As you can see here as well, there is some information on knee pain and studies on it here. Now, what we want to briefly mention on this portion of the page here, where it shows the discount that is said to be available to you here, and more information on the featured knee compression sleeve, the details of it here as you can see, and take a look at the portion here where it shows that currently it is said to get a 4.7 out of a 5-star rating. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here as well. In this brief video review, we are going to briefly touch on more of the points of the page, but remember, you can take a look at more of the information in depth when you click on the links provided below in the video description that will take you to the official webpage that you see on your screen. So now, what we want to briefly touch on here is the portion of the page here that says improve your active quality of life today with the featured Ultra Knee Elite knee compression sleeve. And now, we just want to go over and touch on what are said to be the benefits of the featured knee compression sleeve here. Just take a look as it is said to keep your knees warm and supple, providing natural joint lubrication, providing stability for the kneecap, ensuring maximum comfort without slippage, maintaining full range of motion. And more benefits are mentioned, as you can briefly see here. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Now, what we want to briefly go over and touch on here, where it shows some of the reviews and testimonials from customers who have purchased the featured knee compression sleeve. Just take a look here at some of their different experiences, what they were and are. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Once again, you can take a look at these details more in depth when you just click on the links provided below in the video description, so that you can visit the official webpage that you see right here on your screen, and go over these specific areas carefully. So now, we want to briefly go over and touch on the portion of the page here that shows the different packages and prices that are said to be available to you here. And also, we want to briefly touch on what we consider to be one of the main points here, where it shows the 100%, 90-day, money-back guarantee that is said to come with your purchase of the featured knee compression sleeve. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Also, take a look here, as it shows the questions and answers, or what are called the frequently asked questions portion of the official page here. And you can take a look here at some of the concerns that people have, and how these concerns are addressed as well. Just briefly take a look here, as we briefly scroll through this portion of the official page here. Don't forget to click on those links below in the video description to go to the official webpage that you see on the screen, so that you may see all of the information in more depth. Now, make sure that when you get to the official webpage that you see on your screen by clicking on the links below in the video description, that you pay particular attention to all of the information that is presented on the page, to give you a better idea of what the featured knee compression sleeve may be able to do for you, and how you may be able to benefit from it as well. Make sure that you pay particular attention to the prices, packages and discounts that are said to be available to you as well. Also, pay particular attention to the 100%, 90-day, money-back guarantee that is said to come with your purchase of the featured knee compression sleeve. Once again, we would like to thank you for watching our brief video review. If you have found that the information presented here in this video was helpful and insightful to you, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Remember to click on the links below in the video description to go to the official webpage that you have seen on the screen in this video to get more information and see more. if you decide to choose the featured Ultra Knee Elite knee compression sleeve.